You too. Happy journey. I will never forget this moment. What a wonderful day. Bye bye.
This is for staying.
The police coming.
Okay.
Fine.
Hello, brother. How can I go there? In case if police caught us, we will have to pay fine. Now, this one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Look how beautiful. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Enjoy your journey.
Yeah. Now let's go to Broken Bridge. Broken Bridge. I just want to see why they call this place is Broken Bridge. Maybe it is because there is one bridge on the middle of the water body which is broken. Okay, here, there. Okay, I cannot see on this frame on my computer, on my GoPro, so I will close off nearby only. Hello, Anna. This is for staying. This is like staying.
PWD.
PWD. Okay. You are a worker. Leader.
No, sir.
Okay. This is yours. Wow, wonderful. Okay. Can I go up there?
Punishment.
Punishment. Okay. That means
Danger.
danger. Okay, that means we cannot go. I mean, आप हिंदी बोलते हैं?
Hindi.
No problem, no problem. That's okay.
It's danger. No.
Okay, it's a danger, so not allowed to walk. Okay, I will not.
Police coming. Fine.
Fine. Okay. How much they are charging?
You time good going to okay.
Okay.
You time bad and the police coming.
Okay.
Fine.
How much?
Camera.
Okay, they're putting camera.
Okay.
I will not do that. Okay. Thank you, Anna. Nice to meet you. Haha. Wow. Here, I wanted to walk up, but the camera CCTV is installed here, so I cannot walk up. In case if police caught us, we will have to pay fine. Also, it's a danger zone area, so I will not go, but I will close walking nearby. Okay. Okay, I'll show you when I reach there. All right. The place is a little bit dirty because they are putting all the garbage on this place, and the water is very polluted. I think this one, but I will go anyway. Oh, we are not allowed to walk up on this bridge. There's a punishment. There's a fine of, I don't know how much I have to pay, but one thing I'm very sure, there will be fine. Hello, cow. Hello, crow. Hello. Okay, let me clean my camera lens. Okay, it's better. What a wonderful day. Actually, I came here to see the International Theosophical Society, but I did not get the approval. That's why I'm coming here. And I have found this broken bridge. Okay, let me walk over this gate. Whoa. Now, this one. One, 2, 3, yeah. Wow. What a wonderful place. Whoa. Because of Moses, the place is a little bit slippery. I will clean my camera again. This is it. I cannot go up from here. Okay, let me take a different route from here. The place is so quite good. So peaceful. This is the bridge. Okay. Let's get back to work. I will take a very long. Yes! Right there is the broken bridge, but there is no way to go there. Yeah, we can go by hiring this fishing boat, but no one is here, and it's heavily raining here. And very interesting, I saw the man who was working there was pooping over here, and he was using the, they don't have toilet, he was just pooping here and washing the butt. Very strange. And the fish are feeding the fishes and they are selling, so it's like a biological what to say, circulation, like a sand system. Okay, this man is fishing. He's very hardworking. Even though it is raining, he doesn't stop. He just do the work. Like me, I'm also making a vlog here. Wow. Hello Anna, hello brother. How can I go there? That bridge. Okay. He's very busy, so I will not bother him. I will not disturb him. Wow. Look at this place. It's amazing. Wonderful. Wow. Okay, I'm getting a souvenir now. This one I'm gonna give. This is a souvenir. Free souvenir. Okay, this is the broken bridge again. Wow, the place is so beautiful. There are so many islands that is made of sand island. There is one more, the one I'm standing right here, and there is one more. Wow, the place is quite interesting. See, it's raining again. Okay, I'm not sure where will I go next after this place. Let me find out on Google or YouTube, because I have almost fulfilled all the places that I want to go in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is very famous for temples. Because of temples, there are so many tourists. I'm coming here for making vlogs. Actually, I want to go inside the temple as well, but there is a long queue and it is taking lots of time. Also, vlogging, videography is not allowed inside the temple, so that's a deal breaker for me. So that's why I did not go inside the temple, but I saw many beautiful temples while I was, you know, driving through the highway road. I'm only going to the places where I can make vlogs, can talk with people, because I'm a vlogger. Making vlog, walking, talking is all what I do. Look how beautiful. This is wonderfully beautiful. Not lie. Every beach is unique and beautiful. Their own way. Their own way. Wow. Okay, the time is 12:44 p.m. afternoon. I've spent like almost 2 hours here, so I'll go back to the highway where I can get the Uber or Rapido. That's it. Bye bye. Look what I have found. A bowl. Yeah. Oh, look how lucky I am. I've got 3 brothers. They suggest me, they advised me to drop me on the highway. And thank you, brother. Thank you, Anna. Because I need to get the Uber Rapido from the highway. What's your name? Bharat. Nice name. We are Bharat. Bharat is India. Okay, bro. See, I'll make a video for you. Nice drive, nice bike. Ah, hola. So, brother, you are coming here for the first time, or you have come already?
already I'm coming.
Already? Okay. So the name of this beach is Edward Elliot Beach. Okay, Edward Elliot Beach. Okay. This place is very good because it's very less crowded, no people. In other beaches there are so many people, very crowded. But here there's only 4 of us on a rainy day, having a good time. Actually, I come here to walk on that broken bridge, but it was not allowed. There was a security camera and there is a punishment, a fine of 500 rupees. So I did not go up there.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur and I'm making vlogs. What, brother? What did you say?
Huh?
What?
When this video will come to YouTube channel?
After a month, February or March, because I'm going for whole South India. So tomorrow I'm going to Pondicherry. So Pondicherry, after that Kerala, not Kerala, Kanyakumari. And after that Kerala, Goa. So after that I will post on March or April. Oh, today is heavily rainy. The place. I'm very lucky to have you, brother. Otherwise I have to walk the whole 1 kilometer. This is going to be a very good memory and a very good hospitality of Tamil Nadu people. I will show to the world that Tamil are a very good and generous people. I did not expect that somebody who saw me when I was walking alone told me to drop me on the highway. This is a very wonderful gesture. Wow, it's heavily raining. Wonderful day. In Chennai, I have gone to there so many places. Yeah.
Marina Beach you can see. Marina Beach.
Marina Beach, I went yesterday already.
Marina Beach nearby swimming pool.
Okay, nearby swimming pool. I did not know that.
Price in 50 rupees swimming pool. Marina Beach.
Marina Beach, alright.
Kolam bus stand. That's swimming pool.
I will stay here. From here, I have to go to interview. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Enjoy
brother.
your journey.
Yeah. Okay, my YouTube channel name is Darisi. And please tell me your name. I want to.
Subscribe your channel.
Yeah, sure.
Hey,
What's your name?
Bharat.
Bharat. Yeah, he told me already. Yeah. Phone. Okay. This is going to be a very popular video.
Yeah.
I totally believe. Sir.
Gari.
Okay, got it.
Move on. That side.
What a wonderful brother. Oh, it's a rainy day. I did not expect this one. And where's my sunglasses? Alright. Could you please type? I will tell you DA.
You can take
Okay.
that.
This one, the first one. Oh wow, thank you, brother, for subscribing. Thank you so much.
All person are
Yeah.
liking you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet
Your
you.
name is... Okay, right here. Your name is Bala.
Bala.
Okay, nice to meet you, Bala. What about you, brother?
Gokul.
Gokul. Nice name. Okay. Have fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Wonderful. I
Happy
will.
journey.
You too. Happy journey. I will never forget this moment.
Yeah.
What a wonderful day. Bye bye.
See you, miss you.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful Tamil people.